Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. If you're always on the lookout for unique video editing techniques, then you're in the right place. This video will walk you through how to create a horizontal blur transition using Capcut on your desktop. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Capcut. Here I already placed the video clip that we are going to use as an example for today's video. For your first step, you'll need to add a position and size keyframe, as well as a blend keyframe at the beginning, middle, and end of your video clip. At the end of your video clip, make sure to change the scale to around 130 and opacity 50%. However, you can adjust this according to your own personal preference and the specific needs of your transition. Repeat these steps for all of your video clips one by one. That's the secret to getting the smooth transition we're looking for. Next up, it's time to add the halo blur effect. Simply head over to Effects, click on Video Effects, find and select Opening and Closing, and here you'll find the halo blur. Go ahead and add it on. Once you've added the halo blur, make shrink it half of your video clip. Then change its strength and speed in the Details section located at the upper right side of the screen. After configuring the effect, you'll notice how the transition starts to take shape. Now for the next step, you're going to duplicate the effect 5 times throughout your video clip. If you followed along correctly, your project should look something like this. Now, hold the Control key and select the effects one by one. This allows you to move all of them simultaneously and align them according to your creative vision. And there we have it! Your final product featuring the stunning horizontal blur transition. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.